Quick video. Toyota RAV4 rear door stripped down. So I'll just show you what model it is. I'll show you the door so you can compare. Obviously that's the damage on this one. So this is the model. Front lights so you can see. So to start off with, this goes in there. You want to unclip that. There's a Phillips there. This here, you want that out. It clips in at the bottom, so you want to slide a thin screwdriver up this edge and pop it away. So I just use that, slide it up there, popped it forwards. That just comes off like that. So you can see it's got a piece there at the bottom and that like clips in. So that's why you need to slide it up and pop it up and out and pop it up and away. So behind there, there's some Phillips. Also, this here, that just clips off, so you can just take the connector off there. So that's pretty much it. Once you've undone all that, it should just pop off, it'll pull away. So it's clipped on with the usual door card clips, trim tool, pop them off, and that's the door card off. Couple of cables to undo there. From the door opening internal door opening handle, and also on the lock mechanism on it as well to lock it from inside. So green one to the bottom and the white one to the top. And that's it. So I'll be peeling this back and I'll be able to get to that damage from behind. So for whatever reason you need to take the door card off one of these. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.